We're just going to class, but I thought it might be helpful again. These are all just the reminders of what the structure should be that we do in a week or so devices. But for this one, you're just writing that I have here is also characterization. I chose also about characterization. Examples within this paragraph of what, just reminders of what a sentence should look like, what context should look like, and then analysis. You do always have to have that summary sentence. It's an indicator to you that you are done, that you've proven your. So at the very beginning, I've color-coded this. The first sentence is blue, and that's our I want to point out. In this passage, from capitalized, the headmistress, fancy, I want to get to the point, comes to life. All of this red here is context. So I first explain when the girls first arrive at their new school, they meet their headmistress. The headmistress insists that their Indian names are much too hard for pronounce, and then suggests that we give you pretty English names. So I've taken I know that these are the words that I want to analyze. So I'm going to, then right after that, to explain how the quote that I chose proves my topic sentence. And I always start words. So despite the fact that the headmistress has lived in India for 15 years, she claims she is unable to pronounce their Indian names, stating that they are much. This is ironic, since she is an educator and should be able to figure this out. Instead, she reveals that she is racist when she suggests pretty English names. Notice that any time I use words that are directly out of the quote, I put them into quotation marks. That evidence. This implies that their Indian names are not pretty and that only English names are. Using this condescending and respectful tone with children shows that the head are how the girls feel, and instead cares more about communicating that the English are better. She is clearly racist. So I'm using that's what we call when we pull out this shorter quotations to show devices. In this case, the only literary device that I really like. Count it out. Okay, that's it. Hope that was helpful. Good luck writing. Bye.